Hi, to reset this POCO F6, as a first step, we need to go in the settings and select About Phone tab. After that, select Factory Reset, and now you can check which items will be deleted. So basically, it will delete everything on your phone, including apps, data, accounts, backups, and so on. So this will bring your phone back to factory default. You will need to set it up again. And if you agree with that, just select this red option to erase all data. Then enter your lock screen type, in my case it's PIN code. Tap the next button. Here you can select to backup items first, but I'm gonna skip this step and factory reset it. So here you can see this pop-up notification and warning that it will erase all data on the device. And now we can tap the next button. Here we got the warning as well and this timer to press OK button, so let's just wait and press the OK button. And now, within a couple of seconds, the phone will turn off, perform factory reset, and then turn on again, and you'll need to set it up once more. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.